Topping up your roof insulation is a simple and cost-effective way of improving your home's energy efficiency. It helps keep the heat in during winter and the cool air in during summer. Hi, I'm Peter. This is how to top up your roof insulation. Let's get into it. Before you start, you'll need to safely access your roof space to see what insulation you've already got. Most homes have a manhole, usually in a hallway or cupboard ceiling. Once you're up there, stick to the joists to avoid stepping through the ceiling and take care not to disturb any existing wiring or ductwork. In older homes, it's common to find minimal material or material that's broken down over time. Batts are easy to recognise. They're firm rectangular pieces laid between the joists. Loose fill is more of a fluffy or lumpy material that's been sprayed or blown in. If you find loose fill material and you can't identify the type of material or how it was installed, you're far better off calling in a professional. Once you've worked out what you've got, it's best to top it up with the same type to avoid gaps or uneven coverage. If you're unsure, snap a photo and bring it in to chat with a team member. They'll help you choose the right product to bring your insulation up to the recommended R value for your climate zone. The higher the R value, the better it resists heat flow. In most parts of Australia, an R 4.0 to R 6.0 rating is ideal for ceilings. Now for the installation. Start at the furthest point from the manhole and work your way back, avoiding multiple trips in and out. Lay the new insulation batts between and across the joists, depending on what's already there. Don't squash or compress them. This reduces their effectiveness. Just gently place them so they sit snugly with no gaps. If you come across downlights, vents or wiring, keep insulation clear of anything that generates heat unless it's protected by a thermal cover. If you need to trim a batt to fit, take care using a sharp utility knife and allow at least 100mm clearance from fittings unless they're IC rated. If you're not sure, check the label or ask a licensed electrician. And there you have it. With your roof insulation now topped up, your home should be more energy efficient and comfortable all year round. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.